Hello friends, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we are going to talk about creating a subdomain on HPanel, okay, HPanel and installing WordPress in that. Now, what exactly is HPanel? If you've never heard about it, it's hosting which provides HPanel and not cPanel. So they've got their own customized panel which is there, where you can manage your website files and everything. So first of all, I would strongly recommend if you are trying to build up a scalable website, you should try the hosting or cloud hosting, and the prices are really reasonable, and you can have a very scalable website. So that's the advantage of it. If you have not yet purchased it or looking forward to purchase it, then I've put the link in the description. You can get 20% off by using that link. Okay, great. Now coming back here. So once you are in the dashboard, you can search for sub, and here you under domains you will get something called as subdomain. Once you click on that, you will be able to see create a new subdomain, and in this case what I'll do, I'll just click create blog.agency7.xyz, and if you want you can have it in a custom folder, but otherwise you can simply click on create and it will be go in your main folder itself. Once it is created, you can see blog.agency7.xyz is there. Now when you click on it, you'll be able to see the hosting are all set to go, how I can migrate the website, and some important links you'll be able to find there. Next step, what we'll do is we will install WordPress in here. So for that, what I will go is I'll just click on WordPress and I'll go on dashboard. Once that is done, what I can do is there's something called as staging, security, and so on and so forth. So what I will do is I'll just scroll down to it and I can see site installation, install another WordPress. So I'll just click on install. Here I can see a pop-up. We'll just wait for it to load. And here it's asking for the title of the site, the credentials, the admin password. Okay, so I'll just keep a simple password for now, and then there are advanced options which are there, at least one number, etc. Okay, so we'll just go to the advanced option and we will look for uh, the installation path, and here is where you will require to select from the drop down blog.agency7.xyz. so basically here it's agency7.xyz, but in your case it will be your respective subdomain for which you want to install. This is a very important step. If you don't do this, it will install it in the default directory, which will not be the right thing. So you have to click on advanced and select your subdomain there. Create a new database, this is recommended. So basically they will do all the database creation automatically, you don't have to do anything there, and then you simply can click on next. Okay, we have to give a website title, so we'll give the website title is agency 7 blog, and then click on next. Okay, the password should be a secured one, so I'll just add a secured password here. I click on next, and then it's language, turn off automatic updates, update only minor. So this is what is recommended, I'll go with that, and then I'll click on install. We'll wait for this to get installed, and I can pause the video in the meantime. So it took some time, but it has been installed, and now what I can do is I can just scroll down, or probably I can just go to blog.agency7.xyz, and if I just reload this page, I can see the SSL has been automatically installed here, and I can see the default WordPress which has been installed in this case. Now I can simply go to wp-admin and log in with my credentials, and I'll be able to manage and edit this website. So it's that easy. Why should you use it in your blog in subdomain? If you're an e-commerce website, or if your main website is on some other platform, it's always safe to do that, so that you don't mix the two sites, and you can have a separate subdomain there. So big companies also do that. Myntra.com is an example. So they've got their blog on blog.myntra.com, where they've got all their blog articles which is there. Okay, that's all from my end. If you like the video, definitely please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your time, guys.